and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, I am ysay and I upload my travel videos every Tuesdays and makeup tutorials every Thursdays. So if you like my content, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and click that notification bell to keep you updated on my latest videos. So for today's video, I'm gonna show you how I create this look using my BH Cosmetics Glam Reflections on Smoke palette. So this is the palette, nice packaging, and I'm gonna show you guys. This is how it looks like. It has a big mirror, and these are the shadows. There are some shimmers and matte, and you can do some smoky eye looks using this palette. And this is the one that I have been playing, and this is what I have been creating. So if you want to see how I create this video, please keep on watching. So I have already prepped my eyes using my Milani eyeshadow primer base, and I'm preparing also to put a tape technique because we're gonna do a smoky eye using the BH Cosmetics Glam Reflection Smoke Palette. Using my blending brush from Real Techniques, I'm grabbing this shadow for my transition shade and applying it over my crease. Blending it over my crease in a wiping manner, and just creating and building up the shadow over my crease. The next shadow that I'm taking is this dark brown shadow to deepen up the crease using the same blending brush, just tapping it gently and blending it over my crease together with the transition shade that I have already applied. Still on the same wiping manner as I smoothen and blending up the shadows over my eye. Using a fluffier blending brush, I'm dipping my brush to this black colored shadow and placing it over the inner V of my eye and just buffering it and blending the shadow well. We are trying to create a smoky look, so I'm trying to smoke up this black colored shadow over the inner edge of my eye and blending it towards the crease. The next shadow that I'm gonna take is this shadow. It's like a purple shadow, and I'm placing it over the crease of my eyes and the inner V, creating a smoky kind of look. As you notice, there are quite some fallout, so I also change the brush into a smaller one to create a more defined look, and just dabbing it and smoking it out over the inner lids going to my crease. Using my Real Techniques brush, I'm just cleaning up the rough edges and applying a lighter shadow under my eyebrows, and just creating a soft and smoky look and cleaning up some harsh edges. My flat shader brush, just spraying it with a primer mist to wet the brush and dipping it on the palette and dipping it in this blue colored palette, just dabbing it gently and placing it over my lids. Just dabbing it gently and creating a pop of color over the lids. Using my small shader brush, I'm dipping my brush over this blue shade and just applying it under my waterline and connecting it to the outer V. Taking this color and placing it in my inner eyelids for highlight. And with my shader brush, just adding the same color in my lids to add more colors. So I think I'm satisfied with the look, so I'm just removing the tape and brushing off some of the fallouts, and let me pop up my eyelashes and my mascara, and I'll give you my final look. This is the swatches of the BH Cosmetics Glam Reflection Smoke Palette. And this is the final look that I have created using my BH Cosmetics Glam Reflection Smoke Palette. Actually, they released 3 other shades of this. I'm gonna link it down below, the other shades that they have released, but I picked this up at Marshall's for $7.99, and this is the palette. My final thoughts is I love the palette. The packaging is very nice and sleek. You can also do this and bring this when you travel, and I like the design, and it comes with a very huge mirror. And with the palette, I love the color story. You have the mattes and the shimmers, and you can also do some pop of shimmers, pop of this kind of colors, or you can do neutrals and also like a mostly smoky eye using this palette. So this is a very nice palette, and BH Cosmetics is a very good quality. The shadows are very pigmented, blendable, and yeah, you can never go wrong for this very affordable price eyeshadow, and you can create lots of looks with this palette. So if you wanna see more tutorials and looks using this palette, please let me know at the comments down below, so that I will surely make more looks using this palette for you guys. And my final thoughts, it's worth your money. So if you have this also palette, let me know and share with me your experience with this palette. So this is all for my video right now, and I'll see you guys on my next